Who runs neighborhood associations? Who decides what they do and who decides to include me in it? And why are you on my roof?
Those are good questions, Josh. The truth is, it's really simple. It's just members who live in the neighborhood that want to make their neighborhood better. They generally have board members to help facilitate the ease of meetings and events within the neighborhood, but that's all they have to do, really. As far as boundaries, neighborhood associations create their boundaries when they first form. The only requirements are that they cannot be bigger than 1 square mile or smaller than 4 city blocks. To find your neighborhood association and figure out how to get involved, check out the link below. But bear in mind, not all parts of town have neighborhood associations. You might have to start your own, and we have a link on how to do that as well.
Neighborhood associations are hugely beneficial, but they're underutilized, so sign up. Being a part of yours is an extremely easy way to make an immediate impact on your community and run your city. If this seems overwhelming or you have any questions, feel free to ask us here at Qworks. We'd love to carpool with you to your next neighborhood meeting.